You idiot!
No, I was giving him water.
Enjoy these clips from my camping trip. We were targeting walleye, largemouth bass, and big smallies. This is also my first long form, so consider giving me some feedback.
My throat's sick.
Starting out, we set up camp and began fishing at our first spot of the day. Fish number 1.
Let's go!
I got this fat little bass who was eating good.
Oh, that's a tank. It's like a 2. Let's go.
Can I hold him?
Someone get a flick of me. No, he's not.
That looks like he's been caught before.
In your pocket.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get one more.
Oh.
Then we pulled in the dock and caught a few nice walleye. Went to go fish spot number 2.
Is that a fish? Might be a fish. It's a fish.
Wow.
In history.
Wally.
Shh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I choose not to think of it like that. Little walleye. Whew.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's going crazy. Oh my gosh, he's going crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was sick.
I caught my first catch.
Why are the little ones the best fighters?
I caught my first catch.
Bah. Bah. Look at that. It's a Bass Pro Shops Boss Shed. And you a lure.
Why do this taste like sherry? It does.
Levi, sing your song. Yeah.
I don't know I do without of you. Wiping is what I do. And if you try to stop me, my gun will go pew pew. I'm on.
Hell yeah, Levi. You're not reeling at all.
Thank you.
Bigger than my last one? Yeah. Good job, Levi. You don't need pliers for this.
I don't.
No. Just grab the nose, tilt it down, pull.
No, that was easy.
It's gonna splash.
I'm throwing him away from the sticks.
Hey, you doubled up right now. Are you actually on? Yeah. Let's go. Go. Yeah. The goat.
Come here. Oh, I got it. I got mine. Yeah, I'm gonna give mine a bit water.
You idiot!
No, I was giving him water. He still got a video.
You gave him too much. You gave him too much water.
You guys you guys. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bass.
Oh, smally.
No, not. Oh, it's just a little largie. All right, slide him to me. Oh my gosh.
I can get the lure out. Here. Gimme.
Good job, Levi.
Gimme.
Support his tail. Support his tail when you do that. Support his tail.
Like this?
Yeah, yeah. Now pose for a pic. Yeah, Levi.
Bye-bye. Shape of airs.
Cool. I'm gonna take a picture of that actually. This is beautiful right here.
Look at those mountains. Take a picture of those mountains.
I have like 100 pictures of the mountains in the sunset.
That looks like tornado.
Levi's on a bass. Levi's on a bass. Still on?
Yeah. Like,
Oh, it's a big walleye. Dude,
Oh,
that's a
it's a
good.
walleye?
Oh, it's a smallie. It's a big smallie. It's a big smallie. It's a big smallie. It's a big smallie.
man.
It's a big smallie. Oh, it's a big smallie, bro.
He's so cute.
Look at that. I'm not holding him at a weird angle.
Oh, you have to do it down. Give me.
Hold him up better, bro. I want to see him. Hold him forward all the way, Jimmy. Hell yeah.
Oh no.
Put your fins up.
Let me. There's a what? Big bass right here.
I don't know about big. Oh, it's a good smallie, bro.
Not that big, but bass right here.
It's a good smallie. That's a good smallie. That's a good smallie.
Small. I'm gonna boat flip him. What does that shirt? There we go. Look at those red eyes. I'm videoing still.
No, don't switch to pictures.
I wasn't.
Let's go. Oh my god, that is so loose. Oh, yo, chill. Alright. Cast, didn't you? You said one more cast.
Yeah.
Alright, boat flip him?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Last cast of the day too.
Yeah, look at his eye.
I know. Hello, boo. Oh, he swore. I know he did.
Alright, man. We got our fish in. Woo! Those pretty colors by the face. Look at those pattern by the eyes. Very beautiful. Good
Release time.
Give it a release. And she's so beautiful. We got one. 3 pounds.
317, Levi, you got the release.
Oh yeah.
All right, release him. Release him. Give him a really good release, okay?
Bye bye, buddy.
Really regurgitate that man.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, baby.